China's third largest bank rugs BTC. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. A statement threatening account closures for crypto activity causes mayhem before being deleted minutes later as FUD rules supreme on Bitcoin markets this week. Bitcoin is lower going into a new week's trading. Monday has seen a test of levels below $33,000 and bulls are struggling. What could be next? With bullish short terms voices few and far between, it seems that cryptocurrency just isn't of interest to investors right now. Against a backdrop of macro market uncertainty, low volumes and claims of a bull market top, Bitcoin has a lot to do to convince the market that the good times still lie ahead. Cointelegraph offers 5 things to consider when charting what might happen to BTC USD in the coming days. Spotlight on the Fed again. The main focus for investors throughout the economy this week is the Federal Reserve. After last week's comments from Chair Jerome Powell, the US dollar made strong gains while stocks then staged a sell-off as market participants repositioned. The Dow Jones, for example, fell 3.5% in a day, its worst since last October. The volatility came because Powell hinted that the Fed might soon begin tapering the extent to which it intervenes in the market. This became standard practice as part of its response to coronavirus and the economic shutdowns that followed. A reduction in purchases, which CNBC notes currently come to around $120 billion per month, therefore presents a noticeable switch up. Powell will speak again on Tuesday, this time before the Senate, and it is thought that he will give more information on the news which he broadly outlined last week. I am most interested certainly in what Powell has to say. Peter Bokwer, chief investment strategist at Bleakley Global Advisors, said on Friday. They are all going to give us now the fine print of what was in the statement and what Powell said. Should surprises appear, the volatility that characterized the past few days should come. Good news to the dollar, as Cointelegraph often notes, tends to be a bad for Bitcoin price action. I didn't get good vibes from BTC chart when I woke up, popular trader Crypto Ed summarized as the week began. One of the reasons is IMO, the sudden strength in DXY since last week. He added that the dollar could continue to pressure Bitcoin until the US dollar currency index hits around 94 from its current levels of 92.2. Chinese banks deletes anti-crypto statements in minutes. It's not a good look for Bitcoin spot price action as the week gets underway. But who's to blame? In addition to the Fed, another economy is wielding its influence on crypto markets again, this time more directly China. In a statement, the Agricultural Bank of China, the country's third largest lender, explicitly said that its services must not be used for cryptocurrency related transactions. Agricultural Bank of China issued a notice that they will not participate in virtual currency transactions and related activities. China oriented news resource 8BTC reported, translating the original document for social media users. Customer accounts participating in such activities will be closed and customer relationships will be terminated. The result of its publication was instantly recognizable. Bitcoin plummeted by over $1,000 in minutes before rebounding to $33,000. Such behavior is far from surprising, but patience is now wearing thin over knee-jerk reactions to China. The latest episode proved to be a case in point. The bank deleted the statement shortly after publishing it, but the damage was undone. It's done. Quick explainer for those confused, Re-AG Bank. The Agricultural Bank of China released an announcement saying any customers dealing with crypto will have accounts closed. 15 minutes later, it appears they deleted the notice. 2021 getting rugged by the third largest bank in the world. Overall, nothing has fundamentally changed in the Chinese government's position on Bitcoin since its controversial trading ban came into force in September 2017. Half the Bitcoin network has now been shut down by China. Bitcoin hash rate at levels of mid-2020 Charles Edwards, CEO of asset manager Capriol, noted in a series of tweets on the mining crashdown, which formed the previous source of China price pressure. Others argued that Bitcoin has gained new opportunities thanks to the punitive measures from both banks and government. Mining will shift elsewhere, and the network will flourish as a result of making use of friendlier, more reliable jurisdictions.